guys, welcome back to my channel PAMSSTATION, and my name is Pam. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video, as you already read the title, I recently learned an amazing hack, and I'm sure this is going to be very useful for you guys, because even I am like you all, like if you are a beginner, I am also not great at creating wing liner, and I know it's just like a rocket science. So I just recently learned a beautiful quick tip which you can create this wing liner in a second. All you need is to smudge. Exactly. So I have this kohl pencil or kajal. So you have, well, all you need is any eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, which can really smudge. So you need to smudge. I will share with you all the quick tip, and if you try this at home, please share with me. You can share with me on my Instagram and tag me. My ID is just chill with Pam. I will be super happy to check those out. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do is first is take any pencil of yours. Now I have hooded eyes. Hooded eyes is like you get very less amount of space when you create you do any eyeshadow look. So when you open it, you cannot see the eyeshadow. So like my eyes is, I have a hooded eyes, so I have very less space, so you can see my in my eye looks. So what you do is, it's very difficult to create wing liners if you have hooded eyes. What you need to do is just do this. I cannot talk and cannot explain while showing you guys, so I might as well put a music and you can check out the tutorial. So just do this line in the end and take your finger and smudge. Yeah, exactly. Just smudge it like this. So you can see, a shadow coming out. So when it's extended, just rub that and try to fill in the gap. Now you can use your liquid eyeliner and you can just trace it on top of this kajal. So that is perfect wing liner. So you can either make it more big if you want. See, when you keep on smudging, this gives that perfect. So let's do this side.
That's good.
I just did it. Now I'm taking next my right hand and smudging it. So you can see I got the trace of the wing liner. Now I'm just filling it. That's how it is. Can you see, guys? That's a perfect wing liner. All you need to do is just smudge it in the corner. It will give you that a trace of the wing liner. Then if it is going above, just need to rub it with your fingers, and how long do you want your wing liner, you can just create. Now can you see, it's just perfect wing liner. Isn't that amazing? I hope you guys like this trick. Do let me know if you tried it. You can share it on your Instagram and tag me. My ID is just chill with Pam. Also let me know in the comment section if you tried this. How did you like it? Was it easy or was it tough? Thank you so much for watching. I will be sharing some of my favorite kajal pencils in my description box below. You can check those out. These are available on Amazon as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like and share my video to all your friends and family. Thank you guys. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.